Following the foot building, you are going to see our main hallway, which happens to be the sidewalk along South Water Street. The buildings that you're going to see in order from closest to farthest is going to be the Anderson building. Then we're going to see the Thomas building. The blue building is the McNeil building. And all the way in the back there, next to the marina, is the Emerson building. As we fly a little bit closer to this dock here, you're going to see the furthest boat out towards the water. Closest to us is going to be Red Carolina. You are also going to see Papadee right behind it, and behind that is going to be Blue Carolina. Those are the three closest boats to us right now. That larger white vessel you see is known as Island Rover. We are going to see Big Joe pop out right. Two boats behind Island Rover. Right behind Island Rover, we have White Carolina. Here we can see a much better view of our Emerson building as well as our McNeil building. You're also going to be able to see Diablo now, which is the red boat sitting on top of the dock. And this is an aerial view of our campus.
Hi, my name is Kelsey Lewis. I am the current co-vice president for the 2020 to 2021 school year. I am a junior this year, and one thing I love about the Sound School is the open and accepting community.
Hi, I'm Brendan. I'm this year's juniors officer. I am in 11th grade, and I came to Sound for the campus.
Hi, I'm Jelena. I'm a junior this year, and I am the secretary of this chapter. The reason I went to Sound is because it's just a great overall community, and I love it.
Hi, my name is Melanie. I'm a junior at the Sound School. This year, I'm co-historian, and what made me come to the Sound School was the hands-on learning.
Hi, I'm Olivia Regan. I'm a senior this year, and I am the Sound School's treasurer for the 2020 to 2021 school year. And the reason I came to Sound School was to learn how to sail and to be on the water.
What's up? I'm Spencer Bigman, Sound School parliamentarian. I am a junior this year at Sound School in the 2020-2021 school year. Reason I came to Sound School, I want to major in vessel operation.
So first off, we have the foot building. It's the newest of the buildings, named after the school's founder. In this building, there are our two fish labs. We have a sophomore fish lab and then a fish lab for the upperclassmen. The upperclassmen fish lab contains fish such as barramundi that range all the way to clownfish. We also grow coral, oysters, lobsters, and seahorses.
Our schedules can be a little difficult at first due to our complex classes, but we want to make sure that everyone has enough time to master what you're learning and what you want to specialize in. So we have what are called double periods. They make sure that you get enough time to do what you do in a day so that you can learn how to do things correctly and safely. We have A, B, C, D, and EF. Those are our double periods.
This right here is the Anderson building. It's the second of 5 buildings here at the Sound School. It is on stilts, and when it is high tide, the back deck hangs out over the water. It's a very nice view. As previously said, the name of this building is from the families that ran their businesses here on the harbor.
Here behind me is the Thomas building. In the Thomas building, there are the freshman tech shops and multiple classrooms. On the second floor, there's the homework center. You can also find our vice principal, Eric U. Haas, in this building.
Freshman and sophomore year here at the Sound School, you're going to be taking exploratory classes, meaning that you get to learn a little bit about everything. During your junior year, you're going to be able to choose one science and one tech class. During your senior year, you will choose one class that you will learn throughout the whole year.
What's up, guys? This is the McNeil building. While it is our smallest building, it does contain a lot of importance. We have one classroom in here. We have our main office, our principal's office, the security office, and the cafeteria all in this building.
Behind me is the Emerson building, and in this building, it used to actually be an oyster company before we transformed it into one of our buildings.
The Emerson building holds several classes as well as our nurse's office.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope to see you all soon.